Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest new supplements on the market, the Advanced Keto 1500 Keto Pills. This product promises to revolutionize your ketogenic journey with its potent formula. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, what sets the Advanced Keto 1500 apart is its enhanced formula. Packing a robust 1275 mg per serving, it's designed to fuel your body during ketosis. This isn't just about weight loss. It's about providing your body with essential nutrients like apple cider vinegar, green tea leaf, and extra virgin olive oil powder. These ingredients are crucial for maintaining balance and replenishing electrolytes. One standout feature is its comprehensive approach. Unlike other supplements, it includes vital minerals like magnesium, calcium, and sodium, which are often depleted during ketosis. This not only supports your body's nutritional needs but also helps in recovery and maintaining overall well-being. Moreover, the Advanced Keto 1500 is backed by third-party laboratory testing and is GMP compliant. This ensures that each capsule meets the highest standards of quality and safety. It's reassuring to know that you're getting a product that's rigorously tested for efficacy. Now, let's talk usage. Each bottle contains 60 veggie capsules, which gives you a 30-day supply. The recommended dosage is 2 capsules 1 to 3 times per day, ideally taken 20 to 30 minutes before meals with plenty of water. This regimen is designed to maximize its effects and support your ketogenic goals. However, it's important to note that individual results may vary. And as always, it's wise to consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. To wrap it up, the Advanced Keto 1500 Keto Pills by Justified Laboratories stand out as a top contender in the keto supplement market. With its potent formula, emphasis on quality, and positive user feedback, it's clear why many consider it a go-to choice for ketogenic support. Thank you for watching. If you've tried the Advanced Keto 1500 or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.